Welcome back to the backwoods backyard. Today we're going to be working on building a chicken coop cage. Got my partner Jacob with me today. We had built, this is what the cage is going to sit on. We started off, we were going to make a chicken tractor and decided to go ahead and get the electric fence so we'd have more flexibility in our range for our chickens. And so I kind of cut down what I was going to make out of the chicken tractor with PVC pipe to keep it kind of light. And I just cut down what I had already started and just made just a framework to hold my cages on. I'm going to put two cages. I'm going to have one on here and one in that section. And I'm supposed to have 20 chickens. I think it'll be enough for 10 chickens in each cage. We'll see how they fit. If not, I'll make another cage. We have our mesh over here. All that, the chicken wire that you buy is just so thin and flexible. I can't find any heavy gauge wire, so I've been using this. It's kind of like it's the rabbit cage wire. And I measured it out already, and I marked it where I'm supposed to fold it, but it looks like, oh, see, I got a black line here. That's where we're gonna fold it. So it'll fold up into a rectangle shaped box, and we'll have to trim a little bit of the width off of it. And we're gonna first start off by clipping these ends, all these loose pieces of wire, and get it flush so we don't have any scratch points and pinch points, pokey points, or whatever you want to call it. And I'll put my assistant on the job. When hand tools get way too slow, power tools. Now we're going to connect the seams with some J-clips. That's all they are. J-clips.
It says a J-clip and...
J-clip pliers.
yeah.
Now show me how you put it in.
You put the curved part under the two things. And you put it in the middle, and then you squeeze on something, and they will clamp together.
All right, clamp it on. And you see, you gotta make sure that hook is on both of them. Turn your pliers up. There you go. Now you got it. You got it. Good. Go all the way down. Do all of them.
Oh gosh.
Need a power tool for this to speed it up?
Yes. Is there a thing?
Probably.
Do we have it?
Nope. All right, teach him how to do it, Jay. Need some more workers on the job.
So you put this thing and the curved part, you put it in there where the two things are, and you put it in the middle of them where it goes like that, and then you squeeze it. You gotta put both of the wires in there and squeeze it, and it'll come together.
Make sure you hook them both. You don't have them both.
I don't?
So why you do it like that where you can see it?
It hurts though.
You done smashed it too much. Can't save it. Throw it away. Get another clip. Let's see. Alright, done it?
Yeah. Look at my hands.
Make some man hands instead of video game hands.
Hey, they hurt too.
Work your thumbs out a lot.
Yep.
Frog singing his love song. His girlfriend. You sing songs to your girlfriend? Sing love songs to your girlfriend? Try that next time. Go up to your girlfriend and go, wah, wah, wah.
Alright, so we're gonna finish up by putting these doors on this chicken coop. I got them where they overlap. They're probably 2 inches on the top and the bottom. And it's about 1 inch on the closing side where the clamp's gonna be. But I folded all my little edges over so I don't get poked and stuck, even on the inside. They all folded over. And I just used those J-hook clamps like I did to make the cage as my hinges. And these holes are really too small to be able to fit my pliers in. So I kind of had to stretch them out first. Stretch the holes. You can see I got them bent out a little bit to be able to fit my pliers in to clamp them on. That's all it takes. And it works. It stays open. Close it. You can kind of bend a little arc in it or whatever, so when you do put your clamp on, we're going to build one of those later, a lock. It'll be kind of spring loaded and squeezing it on tight. Alright, so we're going to get started on this door, and I'll show you how I put the little hinge rings on, the J-hooks for the hinges. Alright, first I'm going to go ahead and bend all these sharp edges over. This is going to be the side that's going to be on the open part of the door, not the hinge side, the open side. Stretch these holes out first. Let's try it this way. Yeah, that's easy. Much easier. Alright, now we're going to try and make some a clasp or a lock. Put a lock on these doors. Guess we'll start with about a foot of wire. Not sure how much we'll need. Doing it as we go. Gotta make us a loop. .360 degrees. Trying to keep it round. Alright, that's going to bring out spring tension. We'll bend a little 90 on this side. I'll just go around this wire, hold it. I'm going to make a hook on this side. Let's go one more. And bend that hook about right here. So if I clamp this side on, I'll have that spring tension to be able to pull it. Clamp it back and it'll hold. That's all that spring is doing, is pulling this hook back. Unclip it. That'll work. So I'll put a few of those J-hooks on here to hold this secure.
That's it. That ain't coming off unless you want it to. I'll probably put another one, another J-clip that'll keep it from wanting to fall. Now we got something. I should hold my little birds in. Kind of bend your wire, make it grab tighter. That'll work. I'll go on and make the rest of them. That's it. We're done. Ready for my chickens.